I'm going to turn this muskeg bog into Potatotopia. Hi there, this is Big Spruce Rabbitry, and Alaska has a lot of bogs, but you can transform these into places to grow potatoes using above ground gardening techniques I'll be showing you here today. I hope you enjoy! And this is how you get a tire home. I've got my tires in for Potatotopia, and it's time to get them filled with straw and dirt. When setting up potato tires, the first layer is always mulch. I'm using straw as mulch today. There's straw in the potato tires. I'm going to put 1 bucket of hay and rabbit manure into the bottom of each of these tires. Rabbit manure is a cold manure, so it will not burn your plants, but potatoes don't really like high nitrogen fertilizer generally because it'll make them scabby, but I have lots of rabbit manure, so I'm just using it because I got lots of it. Now I have hay and rabbit manure in all my tires. I'm going to put in my certified seed potatoes. The type of seed potato that I'm using here today is the bush peanut. This is one of these bush peanut seed potatoes. Each of these little knobs is an eye and will grow into a potato plant. So I'll cut this guy up so that I can get separate plants for each one of the eyes. I'm putting 5 or 6 potato eyes per tire. So there are potatoes in all 15 tires. So I got my 5-gallon bucket of dirt, and I'm going to cover each of my potatoes. We've got dirt over all the seed potatoes, so now it's time to mulch and cover them all in straw to hold in the moisture. So these potato tires are ready to grow. We'll be back in a couple of weeks to check it out and see how they're growing. Well, it's been a couple of weeks and I got a little weeding to do, but the potatoes are coming up great. With the weeds out, I'll take you on a walk around. Potatoes grow great in tires. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and check out our farm store in the description.